The AI gold rush isn't coming. It's already here. And while everyone's talking about ChatGPT, a select group of entrepreneurs is quietly building AI-powered businesses that are generating 6 and 7 figures in annual revenue. Here's what most people miss. You don't need to be a tech genius or raise millions in venture capital. You need to spot the opportunity and move fast. Today, I'm breaking down 5 proven AI business models that have real potential to hit the $1 million mark. These aren't theories. They're frameworks that entrepreneurs are using right now to build profitable companies. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the multiplier strategy that the smartest AI founders use to compound their income streams. Let's dive in. Business One AI Content Automation Agency. Every business needs content. Daily posts, weekly blogs, monthly newsletters, it never stops. But most companies can't afford to hire full creative teams. The math just doesn't work. That's the gap you fill with an AI content automation agency. Here's how it works. You become the middleman between AI tools and businesses that need consistent, high-quality content. You're not doing the work manually. You're orchestrating AI systems to produce content at scale. Real example. Take a look at what's happening in real estate. There's an agency called Content Craft that serves 47 real estate agents at $800 per month each. They generate property descriptions, social media posts, email campaigns, and market reports, all using AI. Their stack is surprisingly simple. ChatGPT writes property listings and email sequences. Canva AI creates branded social graphics. Descript handles video testimonials and virtual tours. Make.com connects everything into automated workflows. Do the math. 47 clients at $800 monthly equals $3,700 in monthly recurring revenue. That's $451,200 annually. To hit $1 million, you'd need roughly 105 clients. The strategy: don't try to serve everyone. Pick a vertical and dominate it. Fitness coaches, dental practices, SaaS startups, choose one niche, understand their content needs deeply, and build templated systems that can be replicated. One founder I studied focused exclusively on podiatrists. Sounds boring, right? She's now at 73 clients and doing $876,000 in annual revenue. Why? Because she became the go-to expert for that specific market. The beauty of this model is leverage. You can manage 50 to 100 clients with a lean team of 3 to 5 people because AI handles the heavy lifting. Your profit margins can easily exceed 70%. Business 2 Niche AI SaaS tools. Software has always been the holy grail of business models. High margins, recurring revenue, and scalability. But traditionally, you needed a technical co-founder and months of development. Not anymore. With AI APIs from OpenAI, Anthropic, and others, you can build functional AI tools in weeks, sometimes days. And the market is screaming for solutions to specific problems. Real example. Let me tell you about Otter AI. It started as a simple AI transcription tool for meetings. Today, it has over 20 million users and generates more than $50 million in annual revenue. They built one focused tool that solved a real pain point. Or consider Jasper AI, an AI writing assistant that went from 0 to over $75 million in annual recurring revenue in under 18 months. They focused on one thing: helping marketers write better copy faster. Your opportunity: you don't need to compete with giants. An AI contract reviewer specifically for freelance designers. A meal planning app that generates recipes based on what's in your fridge. A social media caption writer trained on your brand voice. An AI interview prep coach for tech job candidates. The numbers. Let's say you build a tool for freelance writers that checks their articles for SEO, readability, and tone. You charge $39 per month. Get 2,150 paying subscribers and you've hit $1 million in annual revenue. Sounds like a lot, but in a market of millions of freelance writers worldwide, it's very achievable with the right positioning and marketing. How to start? Use no-code tools like Bubble or Replit to build your MVP. Launch on Product Hunt and Reddit. Collect feedback. Iterate fast. Many successful AI SaaS founders started with just a landing page and a waitlist. The killer advantage? Once built, your software runs 24 hours, 7 days a week with minimal maintenance. Your main costs are hosting and API fees, which scale with usage. Business 3 Faceless YouTube Automation. YouTube isn't just for influencers and vloggers anymore. It's become a legitimate business platform, and AI just made it 10 times more accessible. You can now run a highly profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face or speaking a word yourself. Real example. Check out channels like Magnates Media. They create documentary-style videos about business stories using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and smart editing. With over 2 million subscribers, they're estimated to earn between $30,000 to $60,000 per month just from ad revenue. Or look at Finance Simplified, a faceless finance channel that uses AI narration and animated graphics. They're pulling in approximately $25,000 monthly from ads alone, not counting sponsorships or affiliate income. Your blueprint. Pick a profitable niche with high CPM: finance, technology, business, productivity, or AI itself. Use ChatGPT to research trending topics and write compelling scripts. Generate human-like voiceovers with 11 Labs or Play. Source visuals from Pexels, Pixabay, or create them with Runway ML. Edit everything together using Descript or CapCut. Post 3 to 4 videos per week consistently. The revenue streams. Once you hit 100,000 subscribers, your income diversifies. Ad revenue, $3,000 to $8,000 a month depending on niche. Sponsorships, $3,000 to $15,000 per video. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools for 30 to 50% commissions. Digital products, sell courses, templates, or guides. With multiple channels running simultaneously, hitting $1 million annually becomes realistic. Some creators run 5 to 10 channels, each generating $15,000 to $30,000 monthly. Pro tip: start with one channel, master the formula, then clone it into different niches. This is how you build a YouTube automation empire. Business for AI-powered e-commerce. E-commerce has always been competitive, but AI just gave small operators superpowers that were previously reserved for companies with million-dollar budgets. You can now run a store where AI handles design, copywriting, customer service, and even marketing optimization. Real example: there's a Shopify store called Dreamscapes Art that sells AI-generated wall art and posters. They use Midjourney to create unique designs, print-on-demand services to fulfill orders, and ChatGPT to write product descriptions that convert. In their first year, they crossed $480,000 in revenue with just one person running the operation part-time. By year 2, they're projected to break $1,200,000. Another entrepreneur launched Personalize Pro, a store selling AI-customized products like mugs, phone cases, and t-shirts, where customers can describe what they want, and AI generates it instantly. They're doing roughly $40,000 per month. Your approach: product creation. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to design products. Leverage print on demand. Printful, Printify for zero inventory risk. Marketing and ops. ChatGPT writes all your product descriptions and email sequences. Ad creative. AI generates your Facebook and Instagram ad creatives. AI chatbots handle 80% of customer service inquiries. The math: if you sell posters at $45 each with a $25 profit margin, you need to sell 40,000 units annually to hit $1 million in profit. That's 110 sales per day. Sounds aggressive, but with paid ads, SEO, and social media, stores in profitable niches hit these numbers regularly. The secret: find a specific audience with disposable income: pet owners, gamers, fitness enthusiasts, or home decorators. Create products that speak directly to their identity and values. Business 5, AI implementation consulting. Here's an uncomfortable truth for most businesses: they know AI is important, but they have no idea how to actually use it. CEOs are reading about AI in Forbes. Managers are being told to integrate AI. But when it comes to execution, they're paralyzed. That's where you come in. Not as a tech wizard, but as a practical guide who helps companies actually implement AI into their daily operations. Real example: Matt Wolf, an AI consultant and educator, built a consulting practice helping mid-sized companies integrate AI into their workflows. He charges between $10,000 and $35,000 per engagement and worked with 28 clients in 1 year. That's over $800,000 in revenue. Another consultant, Sarah Chen, specializes in AI automation for legal firms. She helps them automate document review, client intake, and research. She averages 15 projects per year at $25,000 to $375,000 annually. What you actually do: audit their current processes and identify automation opportunities. Set up AI tools for customer service, marketing, or operations. Train their teams on using ChatGPT, Midjourney, or industry-specific AI tools. Build custom GPTs or AI workflows tailored to their business. Provide ongoing support and optimization. The business model: charge $5,000 to $25,000 per project, depending on scope. To hit $1 million, you need 40 to 50 mid-sized projects annually, or 10 to 15 larger enterprise deals. How to start: you don't need a computer science degree. You need to be 6 to 12 months ahead of the average business owner in AI knowledge. Take online courses, experiment with tools, and document your process. Start by offering free AI audits to local businesses or your LinkedIn network. Once you deliver value, word spreads fast. Position yourself as the person who makes AI practical, not theoretical. Pro tip: Create case studies and ROI reports for every client. When you can show a company you saved them 40 hours per week or increased their response rate by 60%, your fee becomes an easy yes. AI isn't just changing technology, it's redistributing wealth to people willing to learn and execute. The businesses I shared today are real. The numbers are achievable, but only if you start. So here's my question for you. Which of these 5 AI businesses resonates most with your skills and interests? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Until then, stay curious, stay building, and I'll see you in the next one.